Yes. So in solving this question, you now say that carbon has electrons 2 and 4. Then you now say, okay, this 4 is the outermost electron, oxygen 2 and 6, that is 8 electron. 6 is the outermost electron. Then because it is CO2, you now say, okay, carbon is 4 electron, oxygen is 2, 6 plus 6, 12. That will be giving you 16 electrons. So you say put 2 electrons in between the bonded atom. When you put 2 electrons, it will remain, you have assigned 4 electrons already. 2 electrons in between the bonded atom, it remains 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4, 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. It means assign 6 to oxygen. Assign 6 to oxygen. Now oxygen is already octet structure. This one, octet structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But the carbon has not attained octet structure. You now say, okay, 2 electrons will come here. When 2 electrons come here, you now be, this 2 electron is now here. Then 2 electrons here will also come here, leaving you with 4 electrons on oxygen, 4 electrons on oxygen. You can see the carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So while we do bonding, it starts to attain octet structure. So they have attained octet structure. This simply means oxygen double bond this, double bond this. Now if they say how many shared electrons? Shared electrons. Shared electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 shared electron. 8 shared electron. Then when they say how many shared pair? How many shared pair of electrons? You try to tell them that if we have 8 shared electrons, 8 divided by 2 will give you 4. So it has 4 shared pair electrons. That is, 2 electrons make up 1 pair. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 shared pair electrons. How many lone electrons? Lone electrons is lone electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lone electrons. Then how many lone pair? Lone pair electron. Lone pair electron will give you, okay, 8 divided by 2, 4. That is 4 lone pair electron. That is to say 1, 2, 3, 4. That is how you solve the question. Now question F says question F, that is a polyatomic cation. Nitrogen, for nitrogen it is 2, 5. That is, it has 7 electrons. That is, it's on the 7th element in the first 20 elements. So it has 7 electrons. This is the outermost electron. For hydrogen, hydrogen has 1 electron. 1 times 4, 4. Now, we now say 5, which is for nitrogen, and 4 hydrogen. 4 times 1, 4. That will be giving you 9 outermost electrons. Now, this plus you have here simply means that it will lose 1 electron, making it what? 8 electrons. So in the video before this, we were able to solve all other ones. So try to check it in our channel so that you see the video and enjoy it. Now see how we sketch. We now say nitrogen, hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Now hydrogen has duplex structure. That it has highest outermost electron of 2. So now the rule say assign a pair of electrons in between the bonded atom. You put 2 electrons. 2 electrons mean a pair. You have assigned that. That tells you we have 8 electrons. How many do we have? 8. Hydrogen has attained duplex structure, duplex structure, duplex structure, duplex structure. the nitrogen has attained other structure. Remember, hydrogen only attain duplet, while other elements attain what? Octet. So we now say this is, it has attained duplet or octet structure. Now, how many shared electron do we have? Shared electron equal to 8. Shared pair electron, shared pair of electron equal to 4, because 2 electrons make up 1 pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, lone electrons equal to 0, because we don't have any lone electron. Is 0. Now go to question number 2. Which element has diagonal relationship with magnesium? If they ask you this question, see what you do. In the period 2 of your periodic table, we have lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Then in period 3, we have sodium, magnesium, aluminium. Let's write it well. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. So this is period 2. Elements in period 2, and this is element in period 3. So what happens here is that diagonal relationship, this will go to this diagonally. Okay, that means lithium has same diagonal relationship with magnesium. That also means beryllium has diagonal relationship with aluminium. That is, they will have similar chemical properties. That is what we mean by having diagonal relationship. They will have similar chemical properties. Then boron have diagonal relationship with silicon. Same with carbon with phosphorus, nitrogen with sulfur, oxygen with chlorine, fluorine with argon. That is it. So the question says, which element has diagonal relationship with magnesium? You say the answer is lithium. We go to the last question on this part of the video. Given an element with information 4s2, given an element with the information 4s2, 3d raised power 6, what is the element? What do we mean by this? Now, note that when they tell you the information this, the implication is that period will be equal to n, group will be equal to x, and block will be equal to block x. Then when they tell you this one, NSSPY, NSSMPY, tell them that period will be equal to n, group will be equal to x plus y plus 10. Then block will be equal to block P. Then when they give you NS x m minus 1 d z, tell them that period equal to n, group equal to s plus z, and block equal to block D. Now, these three theorems, one of them must suit this. You see, third one suits this. Oh, we now say 4s2 3d6 4n. So it means that our period is n, that is 4. Block is block D. Then the element? What is the element? See how we got it. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6. Look at it. The last one. Okay? 2, 4, 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, 22. We have 26 electrons. Which element have 26 electrons? You say the answer is iron. Iron is an element that has 26 electrons. So once you have this, complete the structure, complete the electron configuration, and see the total electrons that will appear there. Then if they ask you what is the group, what is the period, what is the block, please use this pattern to analyze it. Thanks for watching this video. Please, the continuation of the previous part of this video, try to check it in our channel so that you enjoy it as well. And this one, enjoy it as well too. Don't forget to click subscribe and like our videos as you enjoy it. See you in the next video.